Hey, it's your birthday, Matisse.
I'll take a coin. Yeah.
All right, so first of all, I want you to understand that I have nothing in this pocket
Okay.
and nothing in here, and I'll explain why.
Alright.
Since it's your birthday, I want you to take that quarter, put it in this pocket.
Alright.
Now take the ones and stuff it in.
One stuffing in.
He likes doing things like that. Alright. Now what I'm going to teach you guys how to do is how to tear and restore something. So I'm going to get those props I need to actually do this trick. Alright, so you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So here's what I'm going to do. Sorry, I had to get a second one out because it was buried in there. Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys how to tear and restore something. There is always two of these involved, but you never see the second one. Here is why. This is the one we're going to rip, and we're going to restore it with this one. It's the one you never see. Normally it's done from this angle. Can you see?
Yeah.
You can't see it in my hand, right? So how about if I reverse it and show you what's going on? Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I want you to take and rip a piece of this off. You pass that around and rip it.
Rip.
Just so you know, I have a piece over here. Now I'm going to do my best to keep this in view. Rip it up.
Yeah,
Rip it up and take. It's like, hey, rip it and pass it on. Rip it and pass it on. Alright, so when you guys are satisfied, I want all of you to gather one of the pieces, all the loose pieces together.
Gather them together.
Yeah, give them all to one person. That's going to look really weird if we don't have that.
Who's collecting?
I guess you just got voluntold to have all the pieces. Everybody's getting voluntold tonight.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. Now, these are all the ripped pieces, all of them, right? Okay, so here you have the whole one, and you have the ripped one, correct? So, this is the move you don't see. This is the whole one, right? Again, you don't see it, but what we do is we take the ripped one, and we swap it for the whole one. You see that? And that's basically how you do it. Now, the point to the coin is it's your magic distraction. You go, ooh. And obviously, when you swap the whole one with the ripped one, this becomes whole, correct?
Sure.
Now, since I'm by myself, and normally I have a stage hand I can hand these off to, what do I do with the ripped pieces? I can drop it, I can throw it over my shoulder, but everybody will see it. So let me show you what I do. If you're paying attention, see the coin? Remember the ripped one? The magic coin also restores this one on top of that.
What the fuck?
Oh, by the way, you get to keep those.